Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. If I ain't, hopefully I will be. Listen, if you're new here and you watch this video all the way through and you like what you see, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, you'll go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. But if you've been here, y'all know who y'all are. You've been here and you already know what we're about to do. Let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. And you can watch me slay her and put her all the way together. Alright, come on, let's go. It's been a while since I've done one of these. If you happen to hear any noise in the background, I want to apologize now. I used to do my videos at night while my kids were asleep, but I'm trying to play catch up and on my sleep, that is. I'm trying to play catch up on my sleep. So yeah, I'm doing this during the day. So if you happen to hear noise in the background, I'm gonna apologize right now. Sorry, not sorry. It is what it is. So I happened to enter a giveaway from Sensational to get one of the Latisha wigs. Didn't think I was gonna actually get it because, you know, I virtually never wins anything. But guess what? No. I won this, okay? So I'm pretty much gonna do an unboxing and then show you what she looks like and cut her, slay her, and do all the good things that I usually do with a synthetic wig. Alright, so this is what Latisha is looking like straight out of the box. Of course, you know, all synthetic wigs come with a stock card. Always come with fluff in the inside, so you have to take all that out. This is actually my, I want to say, third or fourth time reviewing Latisha, honestly. I bought her back in 2000 for the first time and wore her for my 40th birthday. And yes, I'm 44. It is what it is. She slayed for my birthday, boy. Hey, Latisha is that girl. If you don't know, then you know. All right, hairnet off. So all the curls that she comes with. Now, I want to say, honestly, the curls in the back are more curlier than the curls in the front. Like, I feel like the curls in the front are looser, as you can see, but these are like tighter curls. Alright, so my girl Latisha, she comes with the 2 combs in the front area, 1 in the back. This one has an adjustable elastic band. I do not remember my Latisha coming with this. The old school Latisha, I do not remember this. I gotta look again, but I'm pretty sure it did not come with this. This might be new. This Latisha, oh, this one is glueless. Oh, okay, maybe I gotta compare and contrast because this might be a new. I might have to compare and contrast. She's a 13 by 6, so you can see her lace here. 13 by 6. Ooh, hold on. Let me see if I can find my old stock card. All right, I know she's in here somewhere. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Yes, I do keep my stock cards, and I keep them because there was a synthetic wig that I purchased in the store years ago, and I wanted to buy her again and couldn't find her. And also, I'm a hoarder. I'm be real with y'all. Ooh, I was about to curse. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm a hoarder like a mug. Okay? I am a hoarder, but the reason why I started keeping my stock card was because there was a wig that I wanted really, really bad. Everything was gone and I couldn't find her, and that pretty much pissed me off. So from then on, I was like, I'm keeping my stock card unless I go about selling her. If I sell the wig, then this goes with it. All the What Lace collections that I've purchased, but not Latisha. Houseway. How did that just happen? I don't understand it. So the first thing I'm gonna do first is my foundation brushes. Anything on that? No. And I feel like this lace is different too. Like, it feels a lot softer than the one I bought 4 years ago. Y'all went back in the factory with this one. I know you did. So taking that bronzer brush, that foundation brush, and just going about in this lace. I feel like, honestly, I like doing this better than the spray. Because for whatever odd reason, I feel like, I don't know if the spray is just not my color or what, but it just don't be, it's just not doing it for me. Let's try it on. She's definitely giving me new vibes. She's not as small capped as the last one. The last one, the cap was smaller. It definitely did not come ear to ear. Oh, sensational. Y'all went back in the factory with Miss Latisha. I know y'all heard this. Alright, so as you can see, this is what the lace is giving. You can see my cap right underneath here. It's okay. She comes with the baby hairs that you can use or don't want to use, don't have to use. She definitely comes ear to ear. Oh, Miss Latisha, I can't wait. She is so cute and she is still giving lioness. Ew. Oh, that's wrong, right? Rawr. There you go. She's still giving lioness vibes. Babe. Oh, Latisha. Now, of course, on social media, I've seen the girls, and I did that actually in my last video. I actually cut her and then styled her. You can cut her. If you don't want her to be this long, go ahead and chop, chop, chop. If you have her for a long time like I did, because I definitely had the original Latisha for 4 years. 4 years, guys. And that doesn't mean I was wearing her every day for 4 years straight. No, 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 because we don't do that over here. We pull her out for certain occasions, and we put her back. If we need to wash, curl, reset, do it over, we will. You understand what I'm saying? But we do not wear her for 4 years straight. You do not do that with a synthetic wig. Just don't do it. This is not human hair. But baby, she's giving them human hair looks. Okay. Alright, so let me go ahead and put her all the way together and show you what I did. I'll show you what. Supposed to be glueless. I'm trying to figure out if I really want to do baby hairs or not. I feel like right now I'm looking like I just woke up with my lover and my hair is like in shambles because he knocked the perm right out. You know what I'm saying? This is what is giving right here, and I kind of like it. So I think I'm going to leave her like that. Because I don't know, like, I didn't want to do crazy baby hairs. But then I don't want to glue her down either. So, disheveled night with my lover. Yeah? No? What y'all think? Alright, let's go ahead. I got her all the way together. I really wanted to wear her glueless, and you possibly can, but I feel like if I were to glue her down and really fix my baby hairs and all the other stuff, you won't see the light cast coming off from the lace. See what I'm saying? And I think that's only because I didn't really glue her down. And I tried to blend her with my bronzer, and if you get up close, you can see she blends very well. But back here, she's looking like, not so much. If you happen to be new to the synthetic game and you have no idea who Latisha is, let me go ahead and give you some of her specs, okay? Latisha is a 13 by 6. She's a glueless wig. She has HD lace, natural density. She's 100% hand tied. She's pre-plucked to create a realistic, ready to go natural density hairline. She is virtually undetected. Like I said, she has baby hairs, ear-to-ear lace, adjustable strap, as well as an elastic band. And that elastic band is for the glueless install. Like, I can go outside with her, no problem. I don't think anybody would be clocking me like this. But taking picture-wise in the video, you can definitely see what's going on here. Maybe I cut the lace, okay, I don't know, but you know, I have issues with that, so at least I'm being transparent. And she's 100% heat safe friendly up to 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. She is definitely big head friendly. I got a little bit of shedding, not too much tangles. As you can see, she reaches me up to here. And I'll turn around to the back so I can show you what she looks like back there. Y'all can see she is full. She is curly. She is a beauty. If you're a girly like me, I love the way big hair looks. Sometimes I don't really like to slay it as much because it is a lot of hair. Now you're going to have this wig for a long time because her curls, they don't move unless you comb her out, and even when you comb her out, she comes right back together. So you have the option of what you want to do. See how she comes right back together? You see that? You see that? So you have an option. You can go ahead and cut her and she'll be about this short and still give looks. You can cut her some more and she'll be about this length and still give looks. It's really up to you. Now, Latisha is definitely a wig that you need in your collection. Whether you're a human hair girly or a synthetic hair girly, she is a must-have. Period. Sensational did a big one with this one. I'll give her a 10, 10, 10 around the board. And like, y'all see the material. Where would I wear her to? She needs to be seen in a nice dress in the right atmosphere with someone chocolatey on your arm. You hear me? Or not. It don't even matter. But I love Latisha. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, this is already wig number 4 for me. So thank you, Sensational, for gifting me this wig with this giveaway. I really do appreciate you guys. Hopefully I can win more giveaways in the future, or if you want to sponsor me, then you know, there's that too. Alright folks, listen, I gotta get going. So if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, cause baby, y'all see the material, she's so cute. Ooh, you will go ahead and get notified. All right folks, see you in my next video. Bye.